Hello friends, if you are a Shinchan lover, so this product is for you guys. So I'm unboxing the Shinchan mouse pad that I have ordered a quite while ago. And being a Shinchan lover, I love to collect the stuff, and I hope some of the audience who watches my videos would also like to do it. So I have got it for rupees 110 from Meesho. I will mention the link in the description box. So here is the product. The material was sturdy, and here is the look, like very cool mode, like he's listening to music. The mouse pad is the up to the standard dimension which we have. The color was nice. The material was sturdy, and it helps the mouse to navigate easily, like drag nahi hota hai, and it was very with a very nice grip, a recommended product. So thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye bye.